Dazzlinglatte, and welcome to my burrito recipe. Okay, so first we got some tortilla shells. These are just like the cheapest ones that Kroger sells for 99 cents. And we are going to microwave these. Usually in my microwave's a little bit lower powered, so we're going to microwave it for about 30 seconds. Kind of just stare at it, make sure nothing's going wrong. So I'm grabbing 2 tortilla shells. You know what? While that is microwaving, we're going to open up our can of refried beans. Today I'm using, okay, it is done. Let me grab it out. Oh, there's nothing like Kroger tortilla shells. Oh, they're still a little toasty. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the can of refried beans. Today I've got Rosarito low-fat black beans. Oh, those smell so good. Refried black beans are the best. They're the best. So far this is the only brand that I've seen that is vegan. A lot of them will have lard in them. I'm back. I ended up using a butter knife to get it on out of there. Okay, so next, these are kind of dry, so we're probably gonna add the wet ingredient first. Okay, first. And I'll put this over here. I do not trust that balancing on anything. My camera fell earlier and it was horrible. Okay, so we're just gonna put up the can opener. Get that out of the way. Okay, you know what? Let's add the dry ingredients. Okay, so I usually put a little bit of ground flax seeds in there. Saying about 1/4 of a cup of that. It's really good for omega-3s. So that's why I put that in there. Plus it tastes really good in there. Next, I almost missed something. Okay, my garlic powder over here. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of garlic powder in there. Oh, that always smells so good. Okay, then we're gonna put in a little bit of cumin, ground cumin. It's like a few sprinkles, you know, just a few sprinkles of each. Lemon pepper seasoning. You're just gonna wanna just, you know, shake it a few times like this. Oh, that is getting crusty. Okay, so you know what, we'll add the chives later. Sometimes I'll mix it in with it. Okay, so we got a lemon. We're gonna get fancy. We're gonna get fancy with this. Okay, we're gonna have some fresh lemon juice in this. I usually don't do this. I usually just get it in the bottle, and there's nothing wrong with getting it in the bottle. Let's close up my flour tortillas. Come on, please. Just let this go smoothly. Just good enough. Okay, we need a knife. Just slice it on it and it's like slice it in half. Okay, and then we're gonna grab out. I do not have like a juicer, like an electrical. Just have this bad boy, so we're gonna do that. We're just gonna juice this by hand. Okay, so next we're gonna take our lemon juice and I'm gonna strain it a little bit more because there's like a few, you can't see that. There's like a few little pieces of seeds and I wanna get anything out of there. So we're just gonna use a sifter to do that. Kind of shake it around a little bit. Okay, we got all of that done. So now we can mix up. Oh, nutritional yeast. This is for like a cheesy flavor, like a nacho dip. Oh my gosh. Who closed it that hard? Damn. Okay, so we're gonna... Oh gosh. Okay. I always have a hard time getting these open. You just make the tab so hard to get open. Wait, I have a knife in here. Okay, we'll just do this. This is what I do sometimes. You know, you just gotta... There we go. The little thingy away. Oh, and that definitely, it smells like cheese. It smells like cheese. Okay, and then we just pop it open to that side, and then we just sprinkle in, saying about maybe 1/3 of a cup, maybe 2/3. Not that much. And we just begin mixing. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it because it is just so dry. Just like, I don't know, 1/4 of a cup of water. Oh, that is perfect. I do not need to add anything to that. Oh my gosh. Okay, and next, oh my gosh, I use so many things sitting here. Okay, let's organize a bit. Ugh. Okay, put this up here. Grab my plate of tortillas, and they're still warm. Okay, we got our spoon, and I'm gonna scoop about maybe 1/4 cup of beans. I have no idea. This is like just like a scoop of beans. You know, just like not a dollop. Just like about, I think that's about maybe 2/3 of a cup. I don't know. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Okay, got that on both burritos. Okay, now we're gonna put our onions. We have diced yellow onions from Kroger. Got them on clearance for $1.49, so I don't have to chop up any onions, which makes me really happy. Okay, and then we're just gonna sprinkle, saying about a tablespoon each on each burrito. Oh my gosh, these are finely diced. I love that. There we go. And then next I'm going to put some kale on there. I don't know, I'm feeling it tonight and I'm trying to eat more salads, so let's do this. There we go. Oh, I could have used kitchen scissors. That probably would have been a little bit easier. Okay. There we go. Gosh. Dropping things on the floor. Okay, so we got our kale. And this is just the Kroger kale. We're just going to grab a 1/2 cup. Just a 1/2 cup. You know, just a little bit. Oh, does not taste that great on its own. Okay, so next we got some tofu sour cream. And okay, now we can use the word dollop. I'm gonna put a little dollop on there. Maybe a big dollop. I put about that much on my burritos. Just like enough, you know, to get that taste. Like as far as like vegan sour cream, I love tofu sour cream. I know it's weird. Okay, so we got some chopped chives, and we're just gonna put, I'm saying about a teaspoon. On each side. Just get that, oh, that smell, that nice, lovely smell. Okay, that's what the burritos look like. I don't know if you can see the sour cream in there, it's kind of hiding. Okay, and okay, so the way I fold the burritos, okay, you take, I don't have anything to put an angle on the camera. Okay, you fold it this way, and then you roll it on up. That, you know, out. I don't know. Okay, so, yeah, I'm not gonna taste it. I'm just gonna eat it off camera. It's really good. Trust me. Everything tastes good. I make this all the time. Anyways, for now I have to go, but until the next time, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.